welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video you can already see that this will be a collaboration with Slaynetris. I'll leave their details down below for you to check her out if you're interested. So this look, guys, is a look that I uploaded on Instagram, and everyone has been asking me to upload a video of this look. I wasn't planning on doing it and putting it on YouTube, but I was like, what the heck, they're asking for it, so I'm just gonna do this look over. Let me know what you think about this look, because I'm feeling it and I'm feeling myself, as you can already see. Yeah, this hair is where I got it from AliExpress. It's a water wave hair, and I just washed it with conditioner, and then I just use a curling mousse to redefine the curls. I don't want to waste any more time, so without further ado, let's get into the video. And if you like it in the end, as you already know that I'm gonna say, then please leave your comments down below, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and share it to spread the love. So let's get into the video. Bye.
So as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera, and I'm just patting in the excess eyeshadow base on my lids before I proceed to add in this red shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. And as you can see, I'm just adding on multiple layers, and then once I get the desired intensity or opacity that I want, I then blend it onto my lids. And as you can see, I'm just gently doing this and taking my time to pat this into my lids, as I don't want my eyeshadow to be creasy or cakey. And you want to just continue this desired process until you're happy with the outcome that you have, and then you can proceed to start blending it in fully and applying any additional transition shade. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're continuously checking your work so that you get an even look on both eyelids. As you can see here, I'm going over back on my other eyelid just to make sure that the intensity is the same. Now I'm going in with this Butterscotch Caramel Yellow from NYX, and I'm applying this as my second transition shade, which is going to be just above the red shade, as you can see here. I'm just patting on multiple layers as I did with the red shade, and then proceeding to blend it in together. And as you can see, I'm just packing on multiple layers on layers, and see, now I have the intensity that I want. I'm now going to proceed to blend in both shades together. I'm now repeating the same process on my other eyelids, and then I'll proceed to cut in my crease. As you can see here, I'm just trying to blend the shades a bit more together to just get that nice transition effect. I'm now going to be cutting my crease with the P. Louis Rumour base in number 5. I should have used the number 1, but I couldn't be bothered to look for it. So anyways, I'm just carving out my crease, and I'm going slightly above my creasing area on my eyelids. As you can see, I'm following that pattern, but I'm just going slightly above it because I have a small creasing area and I wanted a deep cut crease. And you can do cut crease by doing various motion. You can either just draw it all the way across, or you can just pack it on in section like you see me doing. Once I'm happy with how this crease was cut, I then cut my other crease off camera and waited for it to dry, and then we'll be going in with our yellow shade, this orange shade from the Juvia Place palette. And this one I won't be blending, I'm just going to be packing on multiple layers until I get the intensity that I want, and then we will follow up with the Butterscotch caramel and then define those outer parts of our eyes to intensify the look. And as you can see, the orange shade is now becoming very pigmented, and I'm just repeating the same process as I said on the other eyelid, and then we'll be blending it together with the yellow shade to just give that nice effect in between both. And I'm just going to be going over again on my other eyelid, because as you can see they look slightly different, and this is what I mean when I said you should just continuously check your work to make sure that they look similar. I'm now applying this yellow shade beside the orange shade, and I'm just packing on multiple layers as well and trying to blend into the creases of the orange color to give that natural nice cut crease effect. And I'm just gonna continue to do this until I get the intensity, as I said, that I want. Repeat the same process on my other eye, and then we'll be blending in the red shade on the remaining part of my cut crease area. Here I'm now adding the burgundy shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and this will help me to clean my cut crease up. I lost the footage where I was adding the glitter to the yellow eyeshadow part of my lids, but girl, when I say this makeup came out bomb. Anyways, just watch and see. That's the glitter that I used, but unfortunately I couldn't find the footage, and I did my brows my lashes off camera. I'm now going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in 410 and my Spice Ram foundation to get my skin tone. I'm just patting this into the skin until it is smooth and flawless. And you want to just make sure that you're gently patting the foundation into your skin. You don't want to be too harsh, because the slower you go, the smoother the makeup will turn out. So now that my foundation is drying down, I'm now going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and this will be used as my highlighting shade for underneath my eyes, my nose bridge, forehead, cupid bow, chin and jawline area. I then damped a beauty sponge with some setting spray, and I'm just gently patting this into my skin and making sure I get underneath my eye where it creases a lot. And as you can see, my eyes are fully elevated once I start blending in this concealer. You want to just continue doing this same process and making sure that it's resting seamlessly on your skin before you proceed to add in any contour shapes. I'm now going to be going in with my ColourPop concealer in deep dark, and I'm going to be contouring my jawline area, my forehead, my chin area and my nose to give me a kind of a small nose. I'm just blending this in with a normal brush, and this will just help to redefine my face and give my face back a bit of a natural color feel. As you can see here, it's looking very nice and stunning. And then, as you know, I'm going to be going in to set my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to fix these bad babies. And I'm just using a brush to achieve this. I'm just adding a small portion of the setting powder to the brush, and then I'm just patting it in onto my concealed area, but I'm not blending it out. I'm just adding it, so I'm doing like a slight baking method, and then I'll proceed to dusting all the excess off. And I'm just adding this, as I said, to all the areas that I've highlighted earlier. So now I'm just lightly dusting off some of the excess because I'm going to be using my finishing powder in the end. So now I'm going in with my, I think it's LA Girl in Dark Cocoa Pressed Powder to redefine those contour areas. And then I'll be using my L'Oreal finishing powder to, I keep saying L'Oreal, I mean my Avon finishing powder to just fully dust away all the excess setting powders on my face before setting it with my setting spray. So once I've set my face, I just use the same brush to just pat all the liquid into my face to give me that nice matte finishing look.
So guys, this is how my face is looking at the moment. I'm just going to add all my finishing touch, highlight, blush, lipstick, and this will be the end of the video. Stay tuned.
I'm now going to go in with this peachy and pink shade to achieve my blush combo, and then I'm just slightly adding that onto my cheek area. Then I'll be highlighting with the Miss Rose Shimmer Highlighter, lining my lip with a purple lipstick and going in with a kind of a peachy lipstick in the middle to give a kind of a nude effect. So now I'm just highlighting my nose bridge area, my forehead, and I'll be highlighting my Cupid's bow before adding my lipstick combo. And here I'm going in with a matte finishing brown lipstick. When it dries down, it would look so pretty. Anyways, just watch and see. Continue to enjoy the video because we're coming to an end. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Peace, love, goodbye.
So guys, this is the finished look. I'm just gonna let my hair down and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and if you do, then please give this video a like, leave your comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to spread the love. As you already know, this is a collaboration. I've left her details down below for you to check her page out. And guys, I'm just feeling this look. It's simple, neat, and it's all summer long beat. Like, look at these eyes. I just love the eyeshadow look. Let me know what you think and leave your thoughts down below so I can always improve on my makeup skills. Any suggestions, I'll be happy to accept. And I just love this hair. This is a water wave hair that I got from AliExpress. I think it's about 2 years ago, but I haven't worn it much. So all I did was just wash it with and deep condition, and then I just use a curl mousse to get these bouncy waves back. I just love this look. Let me know what you think, and until next time, and I'll see you in another video.